about the number line and how to divide fractions on it. So let's start with a 0. And we're going to take ours to 4. Our problem today is we have 4 cookies. And we're going to divide it by a half. And we're going to see how many halves we can get out of the 4 cookies. So let's fill in the rest of the numbers. We got 1, 2, and 3. So to figure out the halves, we're going to cut this unit into 2 units. We're going to do that for each spot. So let's count how many we have in this. 1 counts as 1 unit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So this number becomes our answer, and that means we have 8 halves that can be shared with 8 people. For review, this is the number line. This, between the 1 and a 2, or a 2 and a 3, or 3 and 4, is a whole unit. And then in between there is a half a unit. And then you have your total, which you always want to label. Halves to share in total. Alright, so we are going to have 2 pizzas divided by 1/3. Now I want you to do it, and I pick Rebecca. So show me how you do this problem.
Start with 0.
Good job.
And then we're going to 2. Put it 1 to finish the line. And we're cutting it into half, I think. And then we count 1, 2, 3, oops, 3, 4. So I think the answer is 4.
Alright, class, do we agree with her?
No,
No. And why is that?
because she divided by a half instead of a third.
Very good, Kelly. So, what do you think we're going to do now? Do you know now?
So instead of dividing by half, we should divide them into 3 parts instead of 2.
Correct. So, erase this. And I want you to show me how that would look now.
All right.
Thirds.
I think I understand. So we divide it into 3 parts, and then we count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer should be 6.
And is that correct?
Yes.
I think there's something missing. What's supposed to be at the end of this equation here? What do we have?
Slices. We're
Very good,
sharing
Rebecca.
slices.
You get a star. All right, that was a good example by Rebecca. Now we're going to try another one, test your knowledge again. So we're going to do 3 apples this time, divided by 1/4. We're going to figure out how that is. So this time I'm going to pick Kelly to do this problem.
Okay,
Show us how we should do this.
so we have to put our units, and we start with 0,
Correct.
and we go to 3, because we have 3 apples.
Oh.
And then we have to put our other units in, so it's 1 and 2. And then because we're dividing by 1/4, we have to divide each unit by 4.
Very good.
And then we have to count the fourths that we've divided it into. So we have 12 slices. slices of apples.
All right. So class, is she correct?
Yeah, I guess so.
Very good, Kelly. That is correct. And that is because she divided the units into fourths, as it is claimed here, giving her 12 slices of apples. Very good.
If you have a number line, fractions will not set you behind. You can divide, you can divide, you can divide.
All right, class, we're going to practice one more problem here and make sure we got this clear in our brains. We're going to do 10 divided by 1/2. Now, does anyone remember what we're going to do?
You divide your number line into units of 10.
Very good, Kelly. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did it a little too close, but it should work. So let me change my marker color. Next, what are we going to be working with? The 10 or the half?
The half.
Very good, Rebecca. We're going to cut this in half. So right in between each whole unit will be a half a unit. So let's count together. We have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Woo! That was a long one. So our number is
20.
20. And that's what we have. All right. So what's 20 divided by 10, class?
2.
And you see a 2 in our equation somewhere?
And the denominator.
Correct. The denominator. Do you notice the relationship? If you multiply 10 by 2, it equals 20. So essentially, you are flipping the 2 up, which would make this equation here. 10 times 2 is 20.
I got it.
That's cool. Are we going to learn about this in our next class?
We will. So that I'm just preparing your minds to get ready for this awesomeness we're going to be learning here.